A very good morning to all who are present here on this wonderful day. I am Sushmita CS from MBA first semester. Today I am very much privileged to introduce our guest lecturer Mr. Roxley Abraham, who is the founder and CEO of Recruit Smart, principal consult at Cisco and Andotech Technologies Private Limited. It's honor for us to have you here to share your knowledge and ideas, sir. We all welcome you.
Good morning, young citizens of India. Can you hear me? Okay, very interactive one. Today I'm going to have a little bit of interactive session rather than just something else. Okay, so I want, now, how many people are from Tamil Nadu? Can you raise a hand? No? But can you hear me? Okay. How many people are from Tamil Nadu? Only two? Okay. How many are from Karnataka? Oh. Okay, good. How many are from Kerala? So you forgot about your state or something? Good. How many are from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana? Only one. Can you come here? Sit here. Okay. One representative who you should volunteer from Tamil Nadu out of the two. How many are from Tamil Nadu? Yes, please. Please come. Okay, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Anybody from North India? Huh? Pardon me? From Mumbai? Come over. You can be seated there so that they'll get the check. Any Northeast? Okay, Kerala, we have a representative. Andhra Pradesh, right? Tamil Nadu, then did I cover all the? Karnataka, I need a representative. Forget about, no need to, volunteer. Who told John? Okay, come over. Who told John? Please come. Please come. You can motivate others. Please come in front. You can be seated here. The questions are going to be, is the mic clear? Okay. The questions are going to be on how was your schooling life? Huh? It's not good? Very good. So what did you learn out of the school? Till 12th. Yeah. Okay, tell me two things. Or, Okay. What is the meaning of knowledge? What is the meaning of knowledge? Okay. Then? What is the meaning of skill then? That's a nice answer. But you do have, right? Okay, that's a great thing. Okay. And what did you learn out of your graduation? I think you might have done, most of you have done BCom or BBA or something like that and joined for MBA, right? I have a question. Why did you join for masters? You could have started working actually. Why? Your parents forced you? Then? Was it your own choice actually? You wanted to do Master of Business Administration. But did you do a research on what is business administration? Huh? No? Have you seen anybody actually doing business administration at home? At your home? Anybody? No? What is your mom doing then? What is she? Housewife. Is she a homemaker or a housewife? What is the meaning of, what is the difference between homemaker and housewife? Tell me, what is the meaning of, what is the difference between homemaker and housewife? Nobody knows? What is the difference between house and home? Okay. So a homemaker can make a house lively, right? Huh? So does she do any kind of business management or business administration or finance management or HR management or something like that? Because I think it is a dual specialization which you are carrying out, right? So have you seen anybody doing that at home? Is it your mom who is doing that, or is it your dad? Why there is no answer? Because I think majority of the crowd are ladies. I mean, you should be knowing. Correct? You said John, right? Okay. So, tell me. You can take off that mask. I mean, I don't think it is. Okay. Okay. What all she manages in your place? I mean, at your home. What all? I mean, can you segregate? Then I can bring you on to the topic of MBA. Okay. Okay, that is finance management, right? Okay, then? Does she manage you? So what is that related to? Is it HR? Okay. So who provides the source actually for this? I mean the funding? Dad. Okay. Who does the marketing actually? Have you seen her marketing? When she goes to the grocery shop or she bargains? Okay. Then does she do any kind of sales? No? Think. Does your mom do any kind of sales? Does she go for a barter system with the neighborhood? You know what is barter system, right? Exchanging goods. That is the definition of that. Does she do any kind of barter system actually? It is a part of sales. Does she do that? Why you are silent? Are you feeling shy even now? Not at all? Great. Does your mom do any kind of barter system? If you don't have sugar, yeah, and she gives it back, yeah. Okay. I'll give a little background of mine actually. I'm going to share only my experience. I'm not going to share anything on the academic front. Okay. On the academic front, if I share, because you are already bugged with the academic front by the professors as well as JC, all the people, right? Are you bugged with JC? Little or bit? Are you bugged with JC Jacob? Huh? No? If she goes out, will you give a different answer? What does she teach you? Business analysis. How many sessions did you cover, JC? Okay. You might have given an introduction, right? So what is business analysis? Skilled.
Related to business about their ups and downs.
Okay. Have you seen any kind of business analysis area at your home? Yeah. No?
If the product is not nice,
No, I'm talking about at your home.
yes sir, so
Yeah.
buy some product or some food. If it is not that good,
So you may just say if you are planning to buy a TV, okay, you talk about one brand, your sister talks about another brand, your dad talks about this one, your mom talks about budget. Correct? So is that business analysis? Huh? Does it fall under business analysis? No? Okay, then what is business analysis? Huh? You don't know. How many more sessions are there, JC, actually for business analysis? And the end of semester? Okay. Can you guys come in front actually, because this looks, if it is not corona, what I would have done actually, I could have just walked out. I mean, just because of me, you should not be affected with COVID. What do you expect out of me today? I mean, we have time till 12, right? Huh? Okay, so another 45 minutes. What do you expect out of me? Tell me, buddy.
some topics which you have experienced and you can share with us,
Okay. And
knowledge on recruitment placement.
knowledge on recruitment. Okay. And anything else? Anybody can think of? Come, guys. Hello. Backbenchers are always good. I do agree because I was a backbencher. So come forward. You too, buddy. There are a couple of seats actually in the front row which we can occupy. Huh? Pardon me? You said something, right? You didn't say anything. Who said? Yeah. That is okay. There are plenty of seats. Benches are not good? Okay, great. There is another row wherein actually a couple of people can come in. Please volunteer. I mean, you guys are actually pretty good. Do you like success or failure? Success. Why failure? Huh? Okay. Are you ready to fail? Huh? Are you? To what extent you would like to get failed? Pardon me? No. Who said? Out of the failure? Okay. Okay. See, when you were small kids, when uncle or aunt or any relatives or guest comes home, they used to have a question, what is your ambition? What was your ambition during your childhood? Because it keeps changing actually. What was your ambition? Nobody, you didn't have any ambition? Doctor, then engineer, then? Pardon me? Doctor? Huh? Starting business? That was from your childhood. Oh man, I really appreciate. Okay. You didn't have any ambition? You? Both of you? Doctor? Air hostess? Is the time didn't fly. Even now you can leave the course and go for it. Please don't waste the time. You have to think where you want to be. Okay. See, I was totally into sales and marketing, which I rechanneled my experience to recruitment. Because I used to hire people for my team, that is when I had the passion, because I was trying to club my passion to the life. If that passion, one of my friend who is actually a church mate, he did his computer science engineering from Atria and joined Accenture. After serving in Accenture for about 7 or 8 years, he found that that is not the cup of tea he is looking for. He is a guitar professionalist. And he is teaching in Lovedale School in Mutti as a guitarist, as well as he is training other people on a professional level. That is his choice. You might have seen another many actors with an instinct of, with a background of engineering. Many cricketers with an engineering background who moved into the passion. Even Anil Kumble, Javagal Srinath, all these people. So you don't want to get into your passion or just because you wanted to do MBA and move on? Have you really figured out who do you want to be? Okay, tell me. Who do you want to be? You want to be a dancer? Okay. If you want to be a dancer, if you want to be a doctor, right now the profession is already gone for you because you have chosen something which is not. But you can be a doctor by doing the research on that particular area where you would like to excel. And you can take a PhD in that. I think most of your professors are with PhD background, right? Have you? Okay, can you tell me the educational background of your professors actually teaching you? How many subjects? Huh? 6. 7. 7 subjects. Okay. Can you tell me the educational background, leaving JC? Why, can you tell me the educational background of your professors? And can you tell me the background of, because you have been with them from past 2 to 3 weeks, right? So they may not given a background of them. Can anybody tell something about them? Each one. Nobody would like to open? You would like to be an air hostess, right? So you should never ever have a stage fear. So you should be ready to open up. Tell me, Leaving business analyst. What all are the subjects? Tell me one subject. That business? Huh? Business? Business and industry. Who is taking that particular topic? Pooja Ma. Okay. She came in because you mentioned that. Huh? Okay. She pointed Pooja Ma. Okay. So, what is her educational background? Huh? No? Without knowing the credential of your teachers, actually, where you're sitting in their class, you should bunk the class. You should be ready to bunk the class. During my graduation, I missed my, I did have English subject actually for 2 years, the first 2 years. I attended only one class actually. That is in the second year. That's when I realized that I missed a lot of opportunity because the professor who was taking the class was a wonderful person. The way actually he brings out the topic and he narrates the story or the poem, I missed out on that. I was bunking the class because in the first year there were 2 papers which I have to write for English, and I scored 120, and 105 was the total marks required for that. Okay, so why should I attend the class? I already got for the entire 2 years I got during the first year. Okay. So have you ever figured out who do you want to be? Now it is time for you to think. Who do you want to be? Leave your ambitions. There is something called do what you like or like what you do. Now there is no other choice for you. So you should start liking what you are doing. When you start liking what you're doing, that will club with your passion and your talent. And you can move on with that. If you don't like just because of the parental pressure, if you have joined, irrespective of that, you should start liking that. Then you will be able to get success. Okay, which bird do you like? Everybody can answer. Crow?
Eagle.
Why you like eagle?
Stays on the top of
Okay. Then?
it has a huge struggle after it reaches certain age.
Uh,
But when it overcomes, it gets to live a longer time.
okay. What are the stages, since you know that particular stuff? Can you just come out with that? Yeah.
When the eagle hatches from the egg, around for 3 years, it has a normal life.
Okay.
It learns, it eats and all.
Hmm.
Once it reaches the adult age,
Hmm. That is 40 years.
yeah,
Hmm.
it has overgrowth of feathers.
Hmm.
So they have to pluck all the feathers on their own
Hmm.
on some high mountains.
Hmm.
And if they bear that pain,
Hmm.
successful and they fly for another 10 years, I guess,
No, another 30 years.
30 years.
The total lifespan of eagle is 70 years. But it has to go through a very severe struggle and pain. Very severe struggle and pain during that 40th age, wherein the beak will just grow, wherein actually it won't be able to breathe. The advantage with, if you look at eagle as this one, you can really figure out whether you want to be an eagle or you want to be a crow. You should be an eagle wherein the success is going to be with you with pain. You know how it chooses a partner? Eagle? Eagle does have only one partner throughout the life. It chooses a partner, the female eagle takes a twig in the sense you are getting it, right? The small, huh? Okay. It takes an high fly on top and throws it down, and the male bird goes down and pick it up. Again it hands over and it goes again high, 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 and it picks it up and bring it. So there is a commitment actually on that. When you are, see, you have partnered with Indian Academy right now. Okay, when you move up, even regarding your career, when you are choosing an employer, and the employer is choosing you as an employee, there is a commitment which is expected from both the sides. In the similar manner, there is a commitment which Indian Academy is expecting out of you, as well as you guys are expecting something out of it. Right? What? Wait, what happened? All are silent. Why you guys are silent? I said it should be an interactive session which will give a little bit of which. So, have you seen eagle hunting? Okay, that is on Geography channel or something. Live. Live? Okay. See, we are termed as headhunters. Recruiters are termed as headhunters. Anybody knows that? No? You are doing your masters. And that too in MBA. You know why they are calling recruiters like us are headhunters? Pardon me? That's a good answer. But how do I pick up? That is a... Okay. Today, I know in India there are 253 machine learning scientists with BTech and MTech from IIT and with a PhD from many of the foreign universities. There are only 253 people working with Microsoft, Google, Amazon. In order to know who all are these people, the kind of research I might have done, it is tremendous. It is not easy for somebody whom I can poach, because they are earning almost about 1.5 to 2 CR actually per annum in India. Okay, they don't need to talk to a recruiter like this. If I'm a headhunter like Eagle, when I have to do a lot of research on each and every resource and pluck that particular prey and move on. Then only I'll be getting the success. To get placed one candidate, I have to spend almost about 6 to 9 months. But I'll be fetching almost about 35 to 40 lakhs or probably more than that per candidate. Okay, so to do that, we have to be an eagle. Or you would like to be an eagle, or you would like to be any other? What do you want to be? You want to be an eagle? So what do you want to do? What kind of job? What is the goal? Okay. But you should have an ambition and a goal to reach that role, right? So what is the goal that you have? No, but what is the goal? Get a job in the sense anybody can get a job. I mean, all the people sitting over here can fetch a job in a call center or something of the BPO, those kind of area. You can fetch somewhere about 12 to 15,000 or probably 20,000 or something like that. What kind of position? Where do you want to reach? Where do you want to reach? HR. You want to reach HR? Okay. See, when I take classes exclusively for the HR management people, I normally commend them. How many, what is the career span actually you feel? What is the career span that you feel that a person can have? If you live for 60 years, what is the career span that you have? 35 years. Okay. What do you do in first 10 years? Learn. Okay. Second 10 years? Huh? Okay. Third 10 years? Huh? Learn from your experience. That's a really good answer. Okay. I'll just focus on what I'm going to speak about the 10 years of career growth, actually what you're going to have. That is 30 years of career span. Just be, in case if you want to note down or probably if you want to record or something, you can do that. Else, probably you can keep it as this one. The first 10 years, irrespective of whichever the company you switch, you are going to work for the company. You are going to work for the company in the sense the company is going to squeeze your blood. Take your blood like anything. And at your home, everybody uses the, what do you call, non-stick kadai or normal kadai? You have normal kadai also, right? Huh? Nobody? Hello? Loud, please. What do you use at home? Do you use anything? Do you cook? What do you cook? No, tell me. What do you cook? Take that off. Any other? Mutton curry. Mutton paneer. Ah. Okay. Okay. So, if it is regarding paneer, can you give a structure of, I mean, right from the way actually you are taking the paneer till it is made as a curry, what all ingredients, what all are there, and how do you prepare? Can you just tell me? Yeah. So you instantly see the YouTube and directly make it? Huh? Without that? How many times did you try making paneer curry? I know that it is a lie. Because if you increase the numbers, you very well know that you are going to get questioned again. Huh? Your mom makes sambar? What all are the ingredients over there in sambar? What all are the carrot? Radish? Beans? Then? Tomato? Then? Onion? Okay, which onion? Sambar onion or the other onion? You're a Malayali, right? You're a Malayali. എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ പറയടൂ. Never ever think that language is a barrier for anything. Okay, if until and unless you start communicating, you will never ever gain anything out of that. Why I have kept the representative of all the 5 states, 6. Why I kept? Have you ever interacted with anybody each other? Like, do you know what is the speciality of Kerala? Which part of Kerala you belong to? Calicut. What is the speciality of this one? Calicut. You didn't ask. Okay. You belong to? Andhra Pradesh. What is the specialty? There are 19 varieties of chutney, ethnic chutney powder which they do have. I think you don't know about that, right? Okay. Did you ask anything about that? No. Did you ask him? Did you ask him? Nobody interacts with you? You interact with everybody or no? Okay. But you didn't know what is the specialty of, which part of Northeast? Meghalaya. There is a specialty of food actually they make. It has got a blend of actually the Chinese. Okay. Did you ever try to ask him? Did you ask what is the specialty of Mumbai? Have you heard about Vada Pav? Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav. Okay. And you belong to? Karnataka. Which part of Karnataka? Huh? Okay. Who was that? Eh? Last time also he cheated me. Okay. Okay. What is the specialty of Mangalore? Eh? Fish? Are you sure? Only fish curry? Okay. Any other? Huh? Somebody said something. Red rice is actually a cuisine of Kerala. Okay, they use that because there are a lot of Keralites staying over there. Idli? No, there is a special. Huh? No, there is something called Benne dosa. No, not in Dharwad because I studied in. Okay, I'll come there. Tell me. Davangere. Eh? Huh. Huh. Okay. Well, you are so silent. Please, you can also speak. Okay. Okay. Why I asked, how many people got little bit of information about other states as of now? Little. Okay, at least about the food. Like the way, during the first 10 years, you have to have an effective communication. Like the way, like eagle. The eagle flies alone or moves around with their own crowd. They don't mingle with any other crowd. Because it does have a vision. That vision is, and whatever the dream, a dream without vision is actually becomes a dream only. So you have to have a dream with a vision. Then you can move up the ladder. JC, how many more minutes? Do I have enough time? Because I need to. 12:45? 12:45, I don't think, because I'll be exhausted. Okay. They can have anything. Yeah, that is okay. So when you have a dream with a vision, with effective communication, language is not the communication, with an effective communication where you are sharing and caring each other to transfer the knowledge, that is where the first 10 years is going to be a seasoned kadai. A new kadai when you buy, that is why I said a non-stick kadai, immediately you can use it. But that's a ready-made. You can use it only for few months. After that it will get off. Any ready-made or any hybrid, any broiler, all these doesn't have much life. But if it is a seasoned one, if it is a seasoned kadai, you can always use it. So the company, when it is squeezing your blood, you become seasoned. You know what is the meaning of seasoned? How do I explain that? Okay. Huh? Seasoned means like you use that particular kadai. I mean, immediately after buying the kadai, even if you use it, you won't get the real taste of the food that you are planning to make. You have to use that actually for a minimum period of about a month. Then you get the proper taste. So that taste, you will be getting it. You will be getting that particular taste. In the similar manner, you get the taste out of the seasoned kadai. You are going to squeeze your own blood actually to the company, and the company is going to give you a seasoned life, irrespective of whichever the company that you work during the time frame. The next 10 years, you are going to work for your family, because you are already a seasoned, resource. You are going to sell. You are going to sell that in the market, and you are going to work for your family. By then, you're married, you have kids. Okay, your kids might be doing their final education, like the way actually you are doing your masters, and you may get married. If it is regarding girls, regarding boys, actually you have enough time. Don't try immediately. Okay. But find a partner the way actually eagle takes. Check the commitment and do it. Okay. So during the second 10 years, when you work for your family, whatever the seasoned knowledge, the skill, which is blended with the talent that you have, that you are going to sell it in the market. When you sell that in the market, you are going to be a seasoned kadai again. That is when you have to think how you are moving on. You have to think, if you are a recruiter, do you want to be I still would like to call myself as a recruiter. I don't like to call, like the lady introduced me as CEO, founder, all this. But I'm still a recruiter. In the industry, I am termed as a recruiter because I am one of the machine learning scientist recruiter among the 4 recruiters in India, even regarding some of the, because if Amazon requires something even for US, I normally do that. Or Google. Okay. You know what is a recruiter's value? How many people are on LinkedIn? Can you raise your hand? Okay. Connect me on LinkedIn. Okay. You can get a lot of connection through that. Check out few names. Ramya Srikanth. She is one of the best recruiter, and still, if you look at her title is recruiter. You know what is her packet? Pay packet? 1.2 CR. Okay. There was a guy called Vijay Dikshit who passed out of REC, Calicut. Okay. He worked with Amazon and right now he is retired. He is only 44. Passed out in 2003. Yeah, 2003. There is another guy who is an IITian who is again a recruiter. His name is Akash Batera. All these are highly priced. Now he is retired. This guy is not retired, but Vijay is retired. So these are the few recruiters wherein actually market is pulling out. A company's strength lies on the best talents who is being hired actually for that particular company. So would you like to be an eagle to be hired? Or you don't? Would you like to be like an eagle to be hired by the company, picked up by the company? Then the first 10 years you should have made the foundation. That is when you can sell that foundation in the market and work for your family. In the last 10 years, your kids will be gone. They will get married. Once they are married, they are separated. Don't keep them with you, please. Okay, otherwise it is going to be a trouble for them as well as mainly for them. Huh? Okay, so by then your vision should increase. The last 10 years, you should aim for a vice president or a CEO kind of level, then only at least you can become a senior director. You are selling it for yourself. The last 10 years, you are working for yourself. What's your name? Okay. During the class, you visualize, right? Huh? When you start visualizing, you are losing a lot of things actually when it is. Don't visualize. Scribble down if it is needed. Because, during my college days, I never used to buy books. Okay, I'm talking about, we used to have elections happening because in Kerala actually it is majorly connected with elections, the campus elections, which I don't think you might have experienced much, right? Did you experience? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Okay. So during that time, each party used to make a lot of notice regarding each candidate. So I use it is printed only on the one side. So I don't need to spend money on that actually. I just need to take this one and scribble down. And that lecture notes only help me. During the exam, I used to go through only that lecture notes because then I can visualize. Hope you got it. Okay. So what do you want to become? Tell me. Huh? HR what? You want to be an HR executive? You want to be a recruiter? You want to be HR manager? In how many months? Or in how many years? How many years? Keep certain time frame. 10 years? Enough? Okay. Will you get to know all the functionality of HR by then? Okay. What retains a particular person to be with that particular company? If you don't, you are working with me as a colleague, as a manager, I'm the manager and you are working as an executive. If you don't like me, would you like to quit the job? Why?
Yeah, because if it's a dream company, you will never do it.
No. You cannot grow because you won't get an opportunity to grow. When your manager is not supporting, not good enough, you will not be able to grow. The growth comes with the communication from the peer, from the manager, from the leader. I had only 2 leaders in my career actually. One leader is, she is an IIT IIM gold medalist, IIT Kharagpur and IIM Calcutta. Her name is Swati Sengupta. When I say all these names, you can check through the LinkedIn. When I was working under him, she asked me to, because the way actually she, anybody else got this one? Marker or no? No marker? Okay, assume that we both went for a presentation to Hindustan Liver at 3 places. I mean, at Brookfield, Whitefield. We went with the laptop, all this. I'm talking about way back in 98. I think you guys were not born by then, right? Okay. You know, the way actually she gave the presentation, all the people, all the decision makers are there, and this is for 120 locations across India. She gave a presentation like this. I mean, on the board, she wrote, they thought that, okay, they are going to present it through like the way actually laptop, projector, all this. She made a rectangle. She asked me to draw rectangle, a triangle, a circle, and a square. And she asked, what is the size of each one that you are looking for? It is a payroll package which we are selling. We bagged that particular order for 4.2 with this particular presentation. Only this much. But the way it was presented, that actually gave the instinct for the company to make a decision immediately. And there was another thing. She sent me to collect the payment actually, and after implementation at a couple of locations. By then actually she went, we were only three employees here, including her. She went to Hyderabad for a presentation, and I was here. She asked me to go get the payment. I went there. The finance guy didn't give me the payment. I came back. So when I came back, she told me, why did you come empty-handed? I said, they didn't give me the money. I never asked you to think. I asked you to do it. So go. I use the word, I think. I'm not supposed to use that. Being a management guy, I'm not supposed to do that. It is execute. That is when you can prove. So the last 10 years is again based on the foundation. Like the way actually, that's okay, that's perfectly fine. The foundation under our list, I think Virender Sehwag was terminated from, dismissed or suspended from the team for about 6 or 7 months. The selectors actually asked him to get back to the basics. We should never ever leave the basics even if you are at 10 years. The last 10 years. If you fail in that, you cannot work for yourself. If you have to work for yourself, you have to have that base and foundation with you. Without that, it will never ever run. So it is only 3 months over, 3 weeks over for you. You can build. If there is anything, I think the staff, they do have expectation on you. And you do have expectation on them. If both are synchronized, it is going to be a productive result. Always think, compete yourself. Never ever compete with others. If I was able to run 100 meters with 11 seconds, I have to aim for 10 seconds, 9 seconds, instead of me competing with Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt got enough amount of medals, but he has invested, he actually, to get all these medals, he might have run less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. I'm talking about the entire track and field events. But to get onto the 2 minutes and bag that medals, how much amount of time actually he spent? Entire lifespan actually he spent. We have to be like that. How many people like Sachin? Can you raise a hand? How many people like Dravid? How many people like Dhoni? Oh, too many hands. How many people like Virat? How many people don't like cricket? Can you raise? You being a Mumbai? You are from Mumbai, right? Okay. See, we might have seen people actually just hitting very high or probably with struggle. But the way actually when Sachin plays, we don't feel that, because just so to get that, I heard about a particular, I read it in one of the article. Achrekar was a coach wherein he used to keep 1 rupee coin on the stumps. If he gets out, the coach will take back the coin. Okay. But if he doesn't get out, the coin is for him. And he used to have n number of coins actually, like a trophy he kept, even now. That's the way we have to be. Get yourself seasoned. Move on. Then you are a winner. If you want to be a winner, read the lessons. There are 6 lessons which you can gain out of the story of an eagle. Have you heard about the song, I Can Fly Higher Than an Eagle? Because you are the wind beneath my wings. No? 1989 Grammy Award winner, Betty Midler. Listen to that song. Her husband was actually behind the screen. He was the motivation for her to fly higher than an eagle. There should be some kind of motivator for you. It can be your dad, it can be your uncle, it can be one of your teacher, it can be someone else. Gain from that. That motivates you. If it motivates, you will be able to fly higher than an eagle. By the way, how many people after I leave will say that, okay, we like this, you guys liked the way actually I am communicating to you. Were you able to get me? You are getting it? Okay. How many people didn't get? Are you able to follow me fully? Huh? Can you explain the 3 10 years in your own language? It doesn't mean that there is nothing. Or probably, passing the baton on to, okay, air hostess. The 3 10 years, can you explain? Take that off. Okay, precisely. If you are not able to follow. The first 10 years, you work for the company. The second 10 years, you work for the family. And the last 10 years, you work for yourself. Simple. Then you will be able to visualize. Okay? For that, what was the topic? Who do you want to be? Right? What do you want to be and how do you want to be? Did I cover all this? Huh? JC, did I cover all that? I'm asking you. Okay. So it was a nutshell actually on the topic, but I never mentioned that particular topic during this one. Yeah? Were you able to get me? Do you have any questions? Not able to get anything? I think, how many people were silent in this? I'll tell you. These two were silent, totally. You two. You two. You. The remaining guys are okay. You need to speak up. You are a part of India. That is the reason actually I wished all the people, young citizens of India, we need to give something back to the society. Okay? It's not by way of paying income tax. You have to be a moral citizen of India. In order to have that moral, in order to be a moral citizen of India, you need to bring your own credential and be proud of that particular country. Okay? Any questions? Nobody? So can we wind up? No? Huh.
Experience of your life
Hmm.
where you thought like, yeah, this is where I need to go. That one moment of your life where you thought, like, yeah, I sorted out, I need to go, I just need to climb up this step.
It's a good question.
What phase of life?
Climb up in the sense you mean to up the ladder wherein actually I need to be a manager or I need to be a director.
Time where you were just standing and you visualized yourself there,
Hmm.
and at that moment, like, what was your thoughts? How to go?
Okay. Okay, there is one thing that you guys need to know. I'll come back to your questions. When I started my firm, I had a lot of criticism from my friends, my relatives, even from my mom. Okay. I always did have a strong belief to ignore the naysayers. You know what is the meaning of naysayers? Naysayers. Naysayers. Once who put you down. Once who put you down, if you start listening to them, you are getting demotivated from whatever the way actually where I want to reach. I always pointed out, this is where my aim is. That is why I said, keep a vision with a dream, an objective with an ambition. Okay. Even now, people are criticizing. We don't need to look at the criticizers. Probably, this might be coming from your cousins or from your aunts or uncle, normally, or from the neighbors. The naysayers are always the neighbors or the relatives, the close relatives. Don't look at them, ignore them. If you start going on the way, that is where actually, and many of my friends, except two of my friends, say, go ahead. So that is the kind of, you need to be with those kind of people. If you are with those kind of people, you can grow. When I wanted to climb up the ladder, there were naysayers like this. It is like crab. If a crab is actually climbing up, another crab is actually trying to pull you down. Okay. So finally, both of them will never ever reach. We have to look at that. We don't need to look at the naysayers, the criticizers, those who are putting you down. Look at the positive thing, positive energy, who is going to bring you, who is going to give you. That will definitely fetch you a career and your personal life. Even regarding your personal life, you are going to face such kind of criticism. Don't blend your personal and career, make a work-life balance on that. Right? Any questions? Did I answer your question? Or do I need to? Okay. Any questions? No? I think you guys are bugged. By 12:45 again classes are there, right? No? You're going back home? Okay. How many people are staying in hostel? Raise your hand. Only one person? How many? And where are they staying then? Because they are, except Karnataka, remaining people are there. Where do you stay? In a PG? With your friends. What do you prepare? What do you prepare at home? Godambu dosha? Okay. And chutney. Every day?
No, yesterday it was chapati and stew.
Ah. Okay. And you? Brothers. Your brother is married? No. So you both cook together. How many guys actually cook food? No. Guys, I'm talking about even. Okay. Huh? Which is your favorite food? Okay. You said biryani, right? Even you said biryani, right? How do you make biryani? Okay. Very well. Huh? Hey, next time ask her to get something. I like that. Okay. You're from Andhra? Chikbellapur. Oh, it's here. But you stay here? Huh? You travel? Okay. You don't like anything, right? Okay. So any more questions? If that is the case, we can wind up. Yeah. I like that answer. If I was in your place, I would have said, boss, please leave. We see, during any of the college function, if any major guest or anybody comes, actually what we normally used to do is we clap in between so that let the guys, so you can also clap that. Okay. You can give your feedback actually to JC. Okay? Whatever the feedback. Okay. And then, is it too hot?